How to share your Snapcode to TikTok directly on Snapchat. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to share your Snapcode to TikTok easily. So first thing, go to Snapchat. This is the home page as you can see right here. Go to the top corner, click on your avatar like this, and now swipe down, click on your Snapcode. After you click on your Snapcode, do this, scroll down and click on share Snapcode. Now swipe right and click on more option and swipe right until you find the TikTok option. Now click on it and you will be able to share it easily and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.